I started my own company because I wanted to do something with my son, who's called Steve as well.
It's very much a family company. There's a lot of pride and ambition within the company, and we always make sure that we deliver the very best products and the best service to our customers. I think that we tick all the boxes from a service point of view. We offer the best products available in the world. We manufacture them all ourselves, and we'll install them and then offer all of our customers a comprehensive 10-year guarantee of guaranteed quality service and aftercare.
A lot of Steve's friends from the university, very clever guys, we ended up employing them. They're still with us.
I've been here for 10.5 years in the business. I went to university with Steve Bromberg, General Manager, and to see where it's got to now is unthinkable.
Literally, we do everything. We buy the profiling, we cut it, we prep it, and we actually manufacture everything in-house. So these products are our products. We know how all the systems work, so they're all tried and tested. We know if there is issues with products, obviously we can put them right, and we know how the system works inside out.
I've worked at Express for 9 years. Started here when I was 22 years old. I've had quite a few different roles at this company. I've been a fabricator, I've been a service engineer, and now I'm a team leader. We pride ourselves on our work. Every single fabricator in here prides themselves on the work. That's why the work's always to the highest standard.
The family side to the company, as you literally, wherever you walk, you come across a Bromberg. You know, there's his daughter, there's his sons, he brings his dogs to work. It feels just like a special place to be.
We currently have 4 showrooms. So it's our flagship showroom here in Leeds. We've got Glasgow in Scotland, Redhill in Surrey, and Romford in Essex.
Day-to-day role really is key contact with the customers, and then offer expert advice on their projects to make that dream come true for them really.
We've innovated, we've brought out new products, and we don't stand still. And that's what's really key to the success of the business.